from Chennai, India. Sorry for not posting my videos for a few days or few weeks because of some technical issues. So we are back on the track with some cool and interesting ideas. With no further delay, come let's get started. So for the first one, I have or a semi churidar. Along with that, I've used some two props, so that is a flower and a leaf. So come, let's see how the photos are portrayed. So for second one, I have wore a basic traditional outfit, powder chitta. Along with that, I have also taken some videos of it. Come, let's see how the photos and videos are being portrayed. So for the third one, or a semi like a frock type, a white frock. So let's see. Along with that, I also made a video. So come, let's see how the photos and videos are being portrayed. So if you guys are beginners, let me suggest you some quick ideas or cool ideas on how to take photos and videos at indoors and outdoors, but by using simple things and simple steps. First, all you need is a background, a good location, and lights. For lights, you can use these kind of fairy lights for indoor shoots, and for outdoors, you can use the golden hour, which is mostly between 4 to 5. And instead of using those so-called LED lights or any kind of tripods or anything like that. So that's it. If these ideas are useful for you, let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Bye. So if you guys are beginners, what did I think? Hi, this is Tej. So for the second one, I've